Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the white-winged dove. Widely spread across Mexico and common in the southern United States. This will be more difficult. I used the only lead I had. eBird took me to Red Rock Canyon, a dramatic open space with large red rocks jutting from the ground. I started my hike and was greeted by white-breasted nuthatches. Ravens played in the wind and spooked a red-tailed hawk from a tree. I heard a downy woodpecker announce himself. Despite all the excitement, I continued my search and found today's bonus bird, the American kestrel. I continued my search and found scrub jays. And a new bird for me, the American tree sparrow. I found a pigeon with white wings, but it wasn't a white-winged dove.